Never Give Up by G. Morrison. As licht as a feather, as fleet as a flea, nae bumbling aboot like yon stout bumblebee. As hard as a hinderson, as tjoch as a steen, awa like a tucket, so fast and so keen. As fly as a footrat, as sharp as a flint, and I was so friendly with folk as a kind. As young as a buckie, and as wise as a globe, and I came to work fit for a job. As fit as a fiddle, as strong as an ox, loop up van hom doen in spite of the knocks. As down in the dumps, of it happened to me, and meer it a tries, less I can do. As I try to shut off, my mind keeps going on. I tries to get out, but I'm laced to the bone. There's folk like me, and I kens they're nae free, where bites have no gain, and where barks when I die. I canna pick up, it seems it's my fate, but for folk like me, it's never oor late. Just try to do something, hoe sma it may be. It'll keep you all going, just try it, you'll see. Abody can do something in his globe we by dan. Keep trying nothing, till something you'll find. There's always a licht at the end of the tunnel.